Welcome everybody, this is Boots with Cyborg Team. Today I have the Royal Kludge RK68 PLUS mechanical keyboard. This is a tri-mode keyboard, meaning it's wired. You can use it wireless in either Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz. Typical Royal Kludge box, orange, black, and white. RK68 PLUS. I got the tactile brown switches this time. This is a white version. It also comes in black. And switch wise, you can get this in the linear reds, the tactile browns, or the clicky and tactile blue switches. RGB backlighting. Now, I got this on Amazon. The price for this was about 50 bucks. So you open this up. There's our keyboard with the user manual. Let's see what goodies they give us. We have a detachable USB-C cable to USB-A. You get some tactile brown switches, extra switches, and you have a keycap pooler and a switch pooler in one device. Now these are RK branded switches. All right. Okay. Now this is a 65% layout. Let's take a look at this keyboard. So nice weight on it. Let's see. Does it say Royal Kludge anywhere? Right down here facing you, Royal Kludge. And at the bottom, there's our 2.4 gigahertz dongle. Nice housing for that. We have some kick-up feet. That's always a plus for me. If you don't use the kick-up feet, it has 4 rubberized stoppers at the bottom. And also down here, this is how you control your keyboard here, whether you want it on wireless, so on or off. And here you'll select what type of wireless you want to use, whether you want to use the Bluetooth or the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. So right off the bat, nice feel. There's a slight texture on the keys. Typical Royal Kludge keycaps here. Our USB-C port is top right mounted. So let's plug it in and see what we got. And right away, our RGB is on. There you go. Check out that RGB. Not too bad looking. Pretty smooth actually. And to change it, the effects, you'll hit function and backslash. Just gonna cycle through the modes here really quick. You change the color by hitting function and looks like comma. Change the speed, function, and left or right arrow key. So let's speed it up here. There we go. And there's some of your backlight modes. Not too bad, looks pretty good. So down here you have your indicator lights. So this first one will be caps lock. You have your Windows lock indicator. This light will tell you that you're in wireless, and then your battery indicator light. Awesome. Let's do a quick typing test, see what we got. All right, that's pretty smooth typing. Slight tactility in the key presses there. Feels pretty nice and smooth. It's very quiet. All right, now that we tested the wired connection, let's test the wireless connections. So flip this over, let me take this out. So now what I want to do is turn this around, and we're going to turn the wireless on, and we're going to have it in G for 2.4 gigahertz. Let's give this a typing test to see if we have any lag issues. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I didn't notice any kind of delay, lag, whatever. I didn't notice any kind of latency issues there. Let's try the Bluetooth. I'm gonna flip this over. It's already in wireless mode, so let me just flip this over to B for Bluetooth. I'll go to my PC here. And my PC is picking up RK68 5.0. So this is using Bluetooth 5.0. That's awesome. Let's connect. And just like that, we're in. Tell you what, guys, I didn't notice any latency issues there either. So this might be a good guide to use in Bluetooth mode. The RK68 PLUS. It's got a lot of stuff going for it. I like the try mode. I'm gonna do some more extensive testing on this one. I like it. I might incorporate this into my daily drivers. Looks pretty good there on my desk. If you like the videos I'm putting up, please hit like, please hit subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you have any other questions about this hot swappable keyboard here from Royal Kludge, hit me in the comments. Until then, this is Boots, this is Cyborg Team, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.